Honourable member for Scarborough Rouge River.
Mr. Speaker, today marks the 100th anniversary of the Armenian Genocide. A century ago, the world stood silent while more than 1.5 million Armenians were killed. In recognizing this terrible event 11 years ago, this House passed a motion to acknowledge the Armenian Genocide of 1915 and condemn this act as a crime against humanity. On this 100th anniversary, we again remember the suffering of those men, women, and children, and mourn their loss. This dark period of our history cannot be forgotten, nor can we look aside from the ongoing suffering of countless other atrocities and crimes against humanity around the world. Today, we join with hundreds and thousands of Canadians of Armenian origin to remember the victims of this tragedy and to recommit to protecting fundamental human rights and dignity for all. Together, we stand united. Polarnes miatsnagan.